This is the bread that was made in the Dutch oven.
Dutch oven bread.
Oh, and it's hot.
Don't eat it.
It's hot. You know what? We won't show them that bread. How about that? That's what we do. We burn it. That's okay, guys. That was our fault for putting it right on the fire, maybe. I need to let it cool. But then it's no good. It's no good. It's no good. Well, then maybe we flip it back over.
Yeah, flip it back over and just eat it from the other side.
Cut it chunks. Ready? It's upside down.
Oh, isn't it pretty?
Good, doesn't it?
My son does that. He's gorgeous.
All right,
Does he really?
Cut it there.
If he ever comes out, oh, I don't do much. There's too. It's a little dangerous.
I know.
I mean, I forge mushrooms myself.
I know.
But I don't do the videos.
And he also.
Honey, good job.
We were just talking with my
I didn't hide it.
onions and asparagus.
Yep.
Okay, now I'm not going to take the bite off him.
Yep.
Should. You come by and check my tray.
I show people things that usually they don't
Okay,
see,
guys.
don't know about. You know, like Paul Solomon seal, things like that.
Yeah, it'll be there.
Are we at oven bread over the campfire with butter? Is it good?
Yeah.
Is it good? Oh, it's awesome. It's awful.
Cool.
Come
Cool. Say hi. You too, Mr. Childers.
Hi everybody. We're having a good old time here.
Yep.
Good people, good food.
Do not get the vanilla ice cream. It's terrible.
We got to profile him.
Yep.
This is terrible. Oh my God.
You get out these things like this, gets people happy.
I don't know about this.
They have
This was a successful potluck. Big time. Say hi. Say hello. Hi. Hi. How are you? Good.
Stuff. That's good. Oh my God.
What are y'all doing? We're playing around. Want to play? Just walk around.
Say hello. Uh-oh.
The amazing thing when I was in the desert, these guys that have lots of money, they come down there big.
Y'all see this guy right here?
RV yachts.
He is 6'10".
20 gigawatt.
6'10". Isn't that amazing?
All powered up.
That's amazing. And his wife is like 4'10".
So then they got their garage.
Say hello.
Their Mustang and Corvette.
I believe Lola's band meetup is a success. Say hi.
I kid you not. It was unbelievable what you just see. And right over here.
Y'all look at that thing. Look at it. Oh, God.
Okay, I gotta go find.
I hate spiders.
Yeah, don't make him unhappy.
Well, I hope it doesn't get in anybody's stuff. You know.
Yeah, like Lola's new campmate bag.
Yeah, really. Oh my God! Look how hairy he is.
I may be very
Surprised that you haven't come here.
Me too.
Shows up this far.
Yeah.
Man, you
You what?
a pro.
No. What did you say? You have them in your camper? Did she say that?
Oh, what are you talking about? I'm a pro at something.
Yeah, okay. I'm trying to get him to go the other way.
Oh, look at him. Look.
That little fella came in there that morning.
Keep going. There you go. Keep going.
Yeah, right towards Vicky's towards
Me.
Keep going.
I said, now wait a minute.
Keep going.
Are they any? Oh, he is not happy with you, dude.
I know, I'm trying to get him to keep going.
He doesn't want to go in the mud.
Hey, I don't blame you there. Oh my gosh.
Oh, don't make me mad.
I'm not. I'm trying to actually get him to
No,
go.
not this way.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to get him to go that way. This way. I am being successful. Look at that. There you go.
Ooh.
We're gonna call you the spider shepherd or something.
Oh my
not up here.
gosh. Let him go.
Why not up
Oh.
jump off on somebody or what?
Yeah, he might jump down on me and freak me out.
No, he's all right there.
I thought you played with these when you were a kid.
I did.
When I was a kid.
Dude, I was a kid.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. In my camera he looks like he's huge.
We used to have great old big ones across the road in East Texas. But you don't see nothing from you. Don't see them anymore.
Okay, now you can knock him off before he falls on somebody.
No, leave him in the tree. He'll be fine.
Yeah, he's gonna.
Oh, I ain't coming over here. I'm done. I'm done. Oh, look what we spotted. Sweet. We're going to go take a tour. We are here today with
Leanna, and I'm known as That Camping Chick on YouTube. I don't have a channel, but I do leave comments.
Yes, she does. All right. We love your 72 Roadrunner. And how long have you had it?
I've only had it for 3 months.
And you've been out twice.
This is my first solo trip, but I have had her out twice, yes.
Very cool. Did you have to do anything to it when you bought it?
No, I mean, other than put some lights in, the curtains, and just kind of change some of those things, but no, not yet. There's some things I'm sure that needs to be done to her, but I'm going to live with her for a little while and
Get to know her. Yeah.
Take it from there, absolutely.
And how much did you pay for her?
$6,000.
That is not bad, folks. That is not bad at all.
Yeah, because
It's very-
all original inside.
Yeah.
Nothing's been redone.
Very nice. It almost looks like somebody kept it garage kept.
It was kept in a barn for many, many years.
Wow. Wow. Oh, and I didn't see this. She's got moons. I love it.
Yeah.
Love it. And I am totally impressed with this umbrella.
Thank you.
Just totally impressed.
Walmart.
Oh, Walmart online, folks. Isn't this nice?
I know, that's right.
Oh my gosh. Here's her little kitchen.
That's my favorite. And this can pull
3-burner stove. Nice. And this here is just an ice box. Got drawer stack.
Okay, no, it doesn't move it. It just feels like a little.
If you feel now, when you hit
Lots of storage.
Yeah,
you'll get
right.
if you're not getting a whole lot of it,
Here's her wardrobe. Got plenty of space. That's amazing.
I cannot believe. And it's just because see, they didn't reinforce that. See, I
And this here folds out into a bed. Got lots of storage over here too. Oh yeah.
how far west you've been.
She's got a lot of storage in here. It's amazing.
And that's why I'm thinking maybe I need to.
Storage under the bed there too. And she has this table in here because she says it's a nice eating table and for her to work on her computer and all that kind of stuff. And she could take this outside if she wanted. And she's also got storage down here. She went vertical. How about that, folks? This up here on the top folds down for a bunk. And here's Dexter. Dexter. Hey, buddy. Is this your house? Yeah. Oh, and this is something I really like. Remote control puck lights. Look at that. Is that not cool? See them underneath over there and up here. Well, thank you, ma'am. We appreciate it. Oh, yes. Y'all give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.